Okay, let's look at multiplying polynomials, specifically binomials and trinomials together, and let's use the stacking method. So here we go. We have 3x minus 8 times the quantity 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. So stacking method, we're going to put the longer one on top, so I'm going to rewrite this, 4x squared minus 2x plus 5, and then the shorter one on the bottom. Just formatting wise, it's going to be nicer on our brains doing it this way. Remember, you can tell yourself times, telling yourself this is multiplication, not something else, okay? And then you just treat it like multiplication. We're going to do negative 8 times everything on top, and then we'll do 3x times everything on top. So negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. Negative 8 times negative 2x, watch your signs. Okay, negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16 times x, 16x. And then negative 8 times 4x squared. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. And then we have times x squared. Okay, we've multiplied negative 8 times everything. Sweet. We are ready to do 3x times everything. So 3x times 5 is 15x. So I'm going to put it under the 16x. It's positive. 3x times negative 2, 3x times negative 2, watch your signs, so it's negative 6, x times x is x squared, mind your exponents, okay? And then we have 3x times 4x squared. 3 times 4 is positive 12. X times x squared becomes x cubed. Once you have that, you combine like terms, so my cubes, I have 12x cubes. The x squared is negative 32x squared, and negative 6x squared is negative 38x squared. 16x plus 15x is going to be positive 31x. And then you have your negative 40. That's as far as you can go. There's no more like terms. Don't put any of those together. That's it. That's all you can do. That is the product. Okay, when we multiply those to that binomial and trinomial together. Okay, let's do it again. First thing we're going to do is stack. We want the longer one on top. So I'm going to put 7w squared minus 4w minus 1 times 5w plus 6. Okay, remember, we're multiplying. Don't slip into addition or anything else funky. Okay, we're going to do 6 times everything on top, and then 5w times everything on top. Mind your signs, mind your exponents. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 6 times negative 4w is negative 24w. 6 times negative 4, and then times the w. 6 times 7w squared. 6 times 7 is positive 42 times the w squared, and we're done with the 6. Now we do 5w. 5w times negative 1 is negative 5w. Put that under the other w, okay, like terms. 5w times negative 4w. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. W times w becomes w squared. 5w times 7w squared. 5 times 7 is 35. W times w squared becomes w cubed. Watch your exponents. Once we're here, you combine like terms. Okay, so w cubed, I have 35. 42w squared minus 20w is positive 22w squared. Negative 24w minus 5w is going to be negative 29w. And then you have the negative 6. There you go. That's the end. That's your product when you multiply it. We can't solve for w because we don't have it as an equation. W cubed and w squared are not like terms. None of them are because their exponents are different. That's it. That's as far as you can go. Don't go past this point. That's all you can do. Watch your signs, watch your exponents, make sure that you're lining up your like terms so that when you combine, you're combining like terms.